Hello everyone, today's video is all about how to get the most from an open day. So open days can be a really useful way to get lots of information about a university, whether that be about campus life, accommodation or course structure. It is the best way to find out if a university is for you. I remember attending the open day for Southampton back when I was in sixth form, and that was the day that I decided I was definitely going to apply for the university. So you might be planning to attend an open day soon, whether that is in person or online. Today I wanted to put together my top 5 tips for getting the most out of an open day. Tip number 1 is to not be afraid to ask questions, whether that is in person or through the online chat function on the website. It is important to put forward any questions that you have. This is the way you're going to find out things that aren't in the prospectus. I would also recommend talking to current students because they're going to give you the most honest answers, because at the end of the day, they're the ones that are currently at the university and they know the most. And remember that no question is a silly question. There are probably a lot of people wondering the same thing, so put yourself out there and ask as many questions as you can think of. Okay, so tip number 2 is to take a tour of campus. This is the best way to see everything the university has to offer, and also another good opportunity to ask questions, whether that be the virtual tour online or in person. It's really the best way to get a good feel for campus, because at the end of the day, this is where you're going to be spending all your time. If it is an online open day, there are some really good 360 tours where you can have a proper good look round of everything in the area on the website, so definitely check those out if you are doing a virtual tour. Definitely do not miss out on taking a tour of campus when you attend the open day. And that brings me on to tip number 3, which is to find out about the wider university experience. So university isn't just about studying. There are so many fun societies, clubs and opportunities you can get involved with. For example, I spent my 3 years on Vixen's Cheerleading Society, and that was one of the best things I ever did. I made so many friends and had so many fun memories from joining that society. Some societies will even be on campus during the open days to chat to you, so make sure you approach them and ask questions if you're interested. Also speak to any student union reps or current students and ask them what societies that they were part of. I guarantee that they were part of at least one society. If you're online, check out the student union website where there is information on the hundreds of clubs and societies, so you can read all about them and really find out more about what they offer. I guarantee that there is at least one society that you will be interested in. As well as that, I'd recommend that if you get the chance that you go into the city and have a wander around. When I attended my open day, I caught a bus into the town centre and had a look around at what was on offer there. You know, it's a good idea to have a look at where you're potentially going to be living for the next few years. If you can't make it into the city on the day, there's plenty of information, images and videos on the university website. Tip number 4 is to get to know your course academic. Now, this might seem really daunting, but it is important to chat to your prospective lecturers and tutors if you get the opportunity to. They are the experts and they're going to be teaching you for the next few years. You can ask them questions on contact hours, what type of lectures or tutorials you're going to be having, and whether or not there are any study abroad opportunities on your course. And of course, if you're online, take a look on the website at your course specific page, because normally the academics from the course will have had some input on that page, and often there are even videos from them explaining more about the course structure in more detail. So do not worry if you're online, there's plenty of information out there. Tip number 5 is to take a tour of the accommodation, because after all, this is where you're potentially going to be living for the next few years. On the open day, there's usually a bus that will take you straight to the accommodation, which gives you the opportunity to go and look at the halls. Don't worry if you're online, because there are 360 tours on the website. Make sure that you have a look at all the different halls on the website, because they all vary in size, number of people sharing, catering options. So it is really good just to have a look at all the options available to you, so when you choose your halls, you know that you are choosing one that suits you. So those are my top 5 tips for getting the most out of an open day. Whether it's online or in person, open days are a really useful way to find out if a university is for you. So I just recommend that you get stuck in, plan your day well, and really make the most of the day. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.